Hey there, today I'm excited to show you how to create a cool transparent text effect in CapCut on your PC. Let's dive right in. First off, fire up CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Once you're in, add your video clip or background to the timeline. Next, let's spice things up with some text. Tap on the text icon and choose your preferred style. Type in your desired text and feel free to play around with fonts, colors, and sizes to make it pop. Now let's give our text some extra oomph. Add a stroke with a thickness of 7. Once you're happy with your text, duplicate the background picture. Select the top video layer and navigate to the Video tab. Click on Remove BG and choose Auto Removal. This will place your text behind the subject in your video. Now let's create the transparency effect. Duplicate the text layer. Head over to the Stock Matte section and drag a black video onto the timeline below the duplicated text layer. Select both the text layer and the black video, then create a compound clip. Now place the compound clip above the rest of the video layers. Select the compound clip, go to the Basic tab, click on Blend, and choose Brighten. And there you have it, a sleek transparent text effect in CapCut on your PC. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more CapCut tips and tricks.